Hello and welcome everyone, Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes C230, the W203. So I have a bad signal bulb and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can quickly and easily replace it. In case you guys need a pair of light bulbs as well, I'll have them linked down below in my description box. And now without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure the signals and the headlights are turned off, and then I'm going to pop open the hood. So to get to our signal bulb, it's right here, and you're going to twist the socket counterclockwise and pull out, and this is what's going to come out. And this is our bad signal bulb. I'm going to twist it out and then reinstall my new one, put it into place and twist it into place. And then one tip is make sure there's no fingerprints on your bulbs when you're doing this, as it messes with the life expectancy of the bulb. So once it's in, I'm going to put it back into the socket and then lock it into place. And that's it. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to change the signal bulb on your Mercedes C-Class W203. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you guys hitting the like button. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video.